time to kick it up a notch and try paneling this wall with wood. I ordered a few boxes of wood panels online, which came in a variety of finishes. These were real wood panels with texture, but they're surprisingly thin and super light, which makes it perfect for indoor installation. Simply using a handsaw, I pre-cut some pieces to fit the size of my wall. There are so many different ways that you could apply these panels: horizontally, vertically, in a herringbone pattern, or diagonally. I chose to go with the vertical application. For the studio shoot, I simply used double-sided tape, which worked beautifully because the wood is so light, but you could also use finishing nails. The benefit of double-sided tape is that if you make a mistake in how it's placed, it's easy to fix. I made sure to distribute the different tones and finishes of the pieces across the wall. Some pieces were more grayed, others more orangey brown, some had knots, and some had white painterly streaks. It took no time at all to completely cover this wall. This is definitely a one-day project, even if you plan to tackle a whole room. This wall treatment has a lot of warmth and texture. It reminds me of a cabin or cottage in the woods. I thought I'd create a cozy office space with this wood texture. Wood flooring, a big wool rug, a large work surface, a modern swivel chair, and hits of white in the curtains and artwork. I think these wood panels are very versatile. I've seen these panels used as an accent wall in a bedroom, in a living room, and I've even seen it used in a kitchen. You could take this look in so many directions, whether you're going for a country or rustic look, an industrial or urban, or even a modern look. It's all about the pieces you bring in to complement it. How do you feel about the reclaimed wood look on a wall? As always, tell us what you think on Facebook and Instagram.